Every summer, people are killed or hurt while out on Georgia lakes. The state just passed new rules to help prevent some of those deaths, but some say the law targeting drunk and reckless boaters still has several major loopholes.
Early this morning, Channel 2 Action News was there as about a dozen divers.
Rescue crews are searching a quarter of a mile of Lake Lanier.
Reported the accident shortly before 1 this morning.
As it was taking on water.
Well, there may be some issues of proximity.
I needed to know more, like, why this happened, how this happened.
Less than a year after the death of her son, Kile, I sat down with Tameka Raymond, who shared what was going through her mind the days following her son's tragic incident on Lake Lanier last July.
I did a lot of research on the lake because I needed to know more. And that's when I found out about the Prince children, Jake and Griffin. I mean, it was 2 weeks prior to my son's accident.
It was in the hospital, sitting by her son's side, that she knew Georgia's laws had to be changed.
I knew then, I was like, something has to be done. We are moms that are burying children. How is this so?
In April, Governor Nathan Deal signed Senate Bill 136. The new law lowers the state intoxication limit to .08, same as drivers, and requires people born in 1998 or later to take a mandatory safety education course prior to operating a vessel. It also requires anyone renting a boat to take the safety course as well. We rode along with the Department of Natural Resource officers patrolling Lake Lanier. Conservation Ranger Adam Loudermilk says he and his fellow rangers see many boaters who just don't know the laws.
We see a lot of accidents that's just basically a failure to yield the right-of-way.
I'll get you boat, sir.
While out on the lake, we saw one self-proclaimed lifelong boater who didn't know all the laws.
There's several safety issues. I did issue a citation on operating without any life jackets.
Under the new laws, an experienced private boat owner like this would not be required to take the safety course.
I'd like to think that it'll make the lake safer. Honestly, I don't know if it will. I don't know if it'll result in less accidents.
Attorney W.Winston Briggs has worked on a number of cases involving boating and watercraft accidents, most involving jet skis.
You certainly see lots of young men and young women that are driving around fairly recklessly on jet skis.
He wasn't operating the watercraft. He was just enjoying, probably looking at the sun. And then he just gets, hit by a wild motorist.
Raymond told me that this law is just the start. She and her attorney, Ashley Bell, are pushing for more legislation. Bell says this new law might not have prevented Kile's death.
The person involved in this particular case took the class twice, but they never took a test on their competency.
Now, the Department of Natural Resources says the new laws will make a larger portion of the population aware of the law, which can only make the lake safer in the long run. In the meantime, in honor of her son, Tameka Raymond has started Kile's World Foundation to offer children access to music and art and acting education, things that her son liked. To support the cause, you can find a link on our website. We've also posted the entire interview with Raymond at WSBTV.com.